Recording in progress.
All right. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond in the chat, guys. Online students. Online students, please respond in the chat. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Whenever you are responding, please select my name in the chat so that your responses will be directly coming to me. Yes, that is good. That is good. All right. Yes, very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So, guys, online students, you already know that from today onwards, old link will not work. This is completely a new link. So, as this is the first day, like with new link, I'm starting my session a little bit lately by 9:30. I'm trying to start it, but from tomorrow onwards, please be on time. Maximum by 9:15 or else by 9:20. I'm going to start our session on from tomorrow onwards. Okay. I mean, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. From Monday onwards. Monday onwards. All right. So please be on time. Again, I'm saying you be on time. That is by 9:15. Please log in, everyone. By 9:15, please log in. Maximum, I'll try to start our session by 9:15, or else I may start by 9:20 max. That's it. All right. Okay. Now let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's session, let me ask you this question. Everyone install Java in your machines? Yes. Did you practice the programs? Practicing means copy pasting. Then what you did? You try to write the program by your own. That's my question. My question is, did you try to write a program by your own without referring to the previous programs? Did you try? How many of you tried? Raise hands. Down, down. Whenever you are trying, do you got some errors? Yes or no? Yes or no? Once you got errors, try to rectify them. Once you rectify them, you will not do the same mistake again. So, guys, tomorrow is Sunday. Yes, tomorrow is a break. Tomorrow we will not be having any session. Every Sunday, we will not be having any session. Sunday is a holiday for it. Okay. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Now, every Saturday, we will be having a class. Why I'm saying this? Because like yesterday, a lot of people messaged our admins like, sir, tomorrow class is there or not? Monday to Saturday, classes will be there. If there is any, any emergency, or else if I'm not taking any session, I'll inform you before only. I'll inform you before only, like nearly 1 week before only, I'll let you know. Like if I'm planning it, if I'm trying to take any leave, I'll inform you. Unfortunately, if I got sick, something like that, if I'm not taking the session means in Instagram story, I'll update it. So please do follow that ID so that if there is any updations, you'll be able to get it. Instagram story, I'll clearly mention your batch timing. So batch, 9 o'clock students today, the class is not there. Like that, I'll try to upload. I'll try to update. But 99.9%, I will not give leave. Honestly, 99.9%, I'll not give any leaves. If your friends already know my session, please try to ask them. I'll not give any leaves. From today onwards, count 60 to 65 working days. Today onwards, count 60 to 65 working days, and within those working days, we'll be trying to complete our sessions. And from today onwards, I will not use the drive which I have given you. Like previously, for all our demo sessions, I gave you a drive, right? Every day we are trying to upload the data. No, I'll not use that drive. A new Google Classroom has been created. Yes, a new Google Classroom has been created. That new Google Classroom link for offline students shared by your admins who is actually checking the fees receipts. Try to ask them. They will share you that new Google Classroom link. That link will be shared only for the people who clear the fees. And for online students, you already received a mail. You just need to accept it. Online students, kindly please respond in the chat. Did you receive the mail? Please respond. Please respond. For online students, yes, you have already received the mail. Like you just need to accept the invite. If you accept it, automatically you will be joined in that particular Google Classroom. Okay. So if you did not receive it, please check it one more time, both in inbox and spam mails also. Please check it. Please check it. It's already received. Still, if you did not receive it, please send a message to Mr. Satish. He will be trying to help you with that. Not at all a trouble. Okay. Right. Himanshu, this app will not work for iOS. I believe it's for Android. So kindly please check with that. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So yes, guys, from today onwards, we are going to start with our regular sessions. And as I said, 60 to 65 working days. Yes, happily we'll be trying to continue, complete our sessions. And most important point, what I want to say here is, from today onwards, videos will not be available with me. Listen, from today onwards, videos will not be available with me. Videos will not be uploaded. Videos will not be uploaded. Every day, whatever the paint which I'm using, I'll try to upload that paint in the Google Classroom. Notes, I'll upload in the Google Classroom. Programs, you need to write it in the class. I will not upload the programs. I know what happens. I know it, you know it. If I upload the program, copy, paste, practice, done. Nope, that's not going to happen. Am I clear with this, guys? And please don't miss a single session also, guys. 60 to 65 working days, please don't miss the session. Why I'm saying this? Because I promise you, there will not be any lagging in my sessions. Every day, you will learn a new concept. I promise you with that. Every day, you will learn a new concept. If you miss a class, you will miss a concept. So please don't miss the classes. And I already said yesterday only, I'm going to conduct a mock kind of interview. Not today, don't worry. Not right now, very soon. Maybe after 15 to 20 days, I'll be trying to conduct a mock interview. And maybe after 1 month, I'm going to conduct an exam. 2 exams I'm planning, one before OOPS, one after OOPS. Okay, so 2 exams I'll be trying to conduct. Both are online exams only. Both are MCQs only. I'll be giving you the link, online link I'll be trying to give you. You just need to open that link in your mobile and you can mark the correct answer. MCQs, all MCQs. I'll be giving you time like 45 minutes or 1 hour time I'll be trying to give you. Okay, and yes, I'll not inform when I'm going to conduct an exam, but definitely I'm going to conduct 2 exams and one mock kind of interview. I'll try to take it. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. All right, online students, is that clear, guys? Online students, please tell me, am I clear with that? Right, right. That is perfect. That is actually perfect. Okay, so if you still have any trouble like regarding the classes or else anything, feel free to message me in Instagram. I'll try to help you with that. Like what are the best I can do, I'll do that. For example, I got a message like, sir, I paid for recording videos also, where I'm going to get. So if you're having these kind of questions, please do message me in Instagram. I'll let you know like what you are supposed to do. And yes, I will be in contact with my students only through Instagram. Okay, only through Instagram only I'll be connect with my students. I don't have any like Telegram channels, nothing like that. And this is my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID. Java.is.awesome. This is my Insta handle. So you can join and feel free to have a conversation with me. Not at all. Conversation means hi, hello, not like that. Come on. Okay. Why? Because nearly there are 8,000 students will be there in this ID. So please don't expect me to reply like normal hi and hello. But generally, I'll be giving you the tasks. I'll be giving you the tasks. And for output, I'll ask you to send me that output in the Instagram, like a screenshot. Yesterday, I gave you a task, right? Yes or no? Yeah? Only 2 to 3 people send me that output screenshot. Only 2 to 3 people. Both are, both those students are present in offline or online. Who sent me that screenshot? Offline? Anyone? Anyone? No? Online? Online students? Anyone send me that output to Instagram? I got 2 people. 1 or 2 people, I guess. Below 3 people. I'm not sure. A lot of messages will be there. Okay. Anyways, no issues. So whatever the tasks which I'm giving you, I want you to complete the tasks and send me that output to my ID so that I'll have to check your work. All right. And one more thing is, guys, from today onwards, yesterday I already asked you to keep that alarm, right? 10:30 p.m. Do you keep it or else did you remove it? Hey, yes sir, no, tell me. Yaar. Okay. Yesterday night, 10:30, that alarm is ringing. What you did? Snooze. Silent. What you did? You just stopped it and continue with your work, right? Please don't do that. Please don't do that. That alarm is like a reminder for you. Revise, revise. Every day, revise. Until you got place, you should revise. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. All right. So let us start with our concept, that is core Java. Okay. Now, guys, yes, I mean, in our last previous 10 days of our sessions, yes, we had covered a lot of concepts. We know what is a class, we know what is a method, we know how to call a method, we know that every Java program execution starts from main method. We know what do you mean by compilation, we know what do you mean by running, we know compilation is going to be carried out by the Java compiler, we know running will be carried out by the JVM, that is Java virtual machine. Like that, lot of concepts we had covered, but still we need to have a knowledge about history of our Java. Like just a basic history. Just a basic history means why Java came, and how Java came. Like just a basic scenario. All right, guys, 2 minutes. 2 minutes social class. Java. Okay. There is this team of developers, a team of developers, and in that team of developers, James Gosling is there, Mike Sheridan is there, Patrick Norton is there. Like that, lot of people are there. They are trying to work on a software. They are trying to work on a software which will work along with hardware devices. One more time. One more time. Please listen. There is a team of developers. They are actually working on a software. Means they are trying to create a software. That software should work along with the hardware devices. For example, washing machines, toasters, like that. See, guys, generally, whenever we are having a washing machine, I'm not speaking about normal. I'm not speaking about normal washing machine. I'm speaking about automatic washing machine. It will be having some electrical symbols, numbers will be there, right? Hey, yes or no? Yaar? In order to work, in order to make that washing machine work, there should be a code. Yes, you heard it correct. There should be a code. So they are trying to work on a code which should work along with hardware devices. They're trying to create that software by using traditional programming languages like C and C++. One more time, one last time. There is a team of developers. They are working to create a software. That software should work with hardware devices. And they are trying to create that software with the help of traditional programming languages like old programming languages, legacy programming languages like C and C++. But whenever they're trying to create a software with those languages, what happens, their software is getting crashed. Whenever that software is getting crashed, automatically hardware devices also will be getting crashed. Am I right or wrong? For example, recently in my home, my AC got a trouble. My AC got a trouble. So what I did, I just keep a complaint to the Samsung people. They came to the home. They even did not touch my AC. Without even touching also, they charged me 892 rupees with GST. Only for checking. Are you understanding exactly what I'm saying, guys? They did not solve the problem. Only to check what is the problem, they charged me this much amount. Means what I want to say here is, if there is a problem with a hardware devices, it is very costly. For example, in your mobile, you are having apps. If an app is struck, if an app got crashed, what you will do? What you will do? Just close it, open it again. Am I right or wrong? But imagine the same situation for a hardware device. If a hardware device is crashed, it will be very costly for the users. Am I right or wrong? That's exactly what happened whenever they are trying to create a software with traditional programming languages. So they created a new programming language. Sir, why? What's the problem? Previously for C and C++, what's the problem? Guys, in C and C++, there is this concept known as pointers. Pointers. What is the use of these pointers? Guys, pointers holds address locations. Sir, what do you mean by pointer? It's just a concept here. It's a concept which is present in C and C++. What is the use of these pointers? You know, pointers holds address locations. If we are using excessive pointers, it causes confusion to the programmer. 1 or 2 pointers, okay. But if you are using thousands of pointers, it causes confusion to the programmer, and obviously your program will be getting crashed. So they created a new programming language, and that new programming language name is Oak. O-A-K. Oak. This is what actually in your academics it will be there. In your academics, generally what they'll be saying, you know, before Java, the first name of our Java programming language is Oak, but not exactly correct. Not exactly correct. The first name, is my voice breaking? Is my voice breaking? Is it clear? Okay. The first name of our Java programming language is Green Talk. What is the name, guys? Green Talk. After that, it has been changed to Oak. After that, it has been changed to Java. Am I clear with this? One more time, one last time. There is a team of developers. They are trying to create a software which will work with hardware devices. They are using old programming languages, traditional programming languages like C and C++. Due to the excessive use of pointers, their software is getting crashed. So they created a new programming language named as Green Talk. What is the first name? Green Talk. After that, it has been changed to Oak. After that, it has been changed to Java. The first extension of our Java programming language is .gt. .gt. After that, it has been changed to .java. What is the first? Please tell me, what is the first name of our Java programming language? Green Talk. Green Talk. What is the first extension? .gt. Green Talk. After that, it has been changed to Oak. After that, it has been changed to Java. The first extension is .gt. After that, directly it has been changed to .java. And the first browser which is developed by using Java, technically, the first browser is Hot Java browser, but it's literally a flap browser. I mean, it did not got succeeded, but technically that is the first browser which has been developed with the help of Java. And the first version of Java is JDK 1.0. These are just, let me try to show you. All these are different versions of Java. JDK 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, like this. Sir, Java 17 is the latest version? No. The latest version is JDK 20. Sir, then why you gave only 17? I just need to update the slide. I'll update the slide. Am I clear with this? Respond. Now, These are different versions. I mean, Java version history, JDK 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. I mean, Java 5. Sir, what are these versions? What are these versions? Guys, every year, one version of Java will be released. Every year. For example, tell me, in your mobile, you are having Android. Okay. Which version? Which version of Android you are using? Android 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which version? 13. Android 13. Hey, somewhere. Right now, in almost all your mobiles, you will be having Android 13 version. Maybe in the next year, they may release Android 14. After that, Android 15. Like that, Java also, every year, they are going to release one new version with small changes, minor changes. Now, in all these versions, listen to this clearly. In all these versions, Java 5 literally changed the market. Java 5. A lot of new concepts has been introduced. Java 5. After that, Java 8. Come on. Guys, Java 8 has introduced very important concepts like functional interfaces, lambda expressions, method references, stream API, parallel array sorting, new date time API, completely a separate concept of getting date and time, new date time API. Like that, lot of new concepts has been introduced in Java 8. In interview point of view also, Java 8 features literally plays a very crucial role. Java 8. After that, after Java 8, Java 11 is also okay. But right now, most of the companies are working with Java 17. Java 17. Java 17, it is LTS, long-term supported version. Now here, I have a question. Question is, sir, the latest version of Java is, you said JDK 20, that is Java 20. Then why we have installed Java 17? Why we did not went with JDK 20? Like why Java 20 is not present in our system? Fair question, fair point. Let me explain this. Guys, in order to create a simple Java project, are you understanding me? Respond. Right. Now, in order to create a simple Java project, it is going to take nearly 4 to 5 years of time. Yes, you heard it correct. In order to complete a simple Java project, it is going to take nearly 4 to 5 years of time. And every year, a new version of Java will be released. So every year, whenever we are trying to create a project, we cannot simply change the Java version to the latest version. I hope you're understanding me, right? So what we will be doing, as developers, we will be using the most bug-free, the most LTS version which is currently available in the market. So in simple, let me conclude like this. Before Java 6 and 7, most of the people are using Java 5. Why? Because that is LTS. Perfect. After that, most of the people is working on Java 8. And then Java 9, not that much of use changes are not there. Java 10 is also not there. Java 11, okay, no problem. But after the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right now, Java 17. Are you understanding exactly what I'm saying here? When this Java 17 has been released in 2021, in 2021, it has been released. Right now, we are trying to do our projects in Java 17. We will not use the latest version whenever we are creating our projects. Why? Because as I said, in simple, if you want to create a project, nearly it is going to take 4 to 5 years of time. So every year a new version will be released, and every year if you are trying to change the version, come on, that project will never be completed. And point number 2, client will ask us, For example, we are trying to create a hospital management project. Let us take Yashoda Hospital. Client will ask us use Java 8, use Java 11, use Java 17. Then we are supposed to use that. No one will ask you to use the latest version. Why? Because latest version, we are not sure whether it is, perfect security systems or not. We are not sure. All those are trial versions. Are you understanding me, guys? Respond. That is the only reason we have installed JDK 17 in our machines. And by the end of our core Java classes, we will be discussing about the new features which are added in the latest versions of Java also. We are going to discuss them. Am I clear with that? Right. This is about the Java version history. Now, next, online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, please respond in the chat for me. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Please respond. Respond. You actually need to respond in the chat, guys, please. Yes, that is good. That is great. Okay. Now, let me just try to discard it. Right, guys. Right now, I'm going to discuss one of the most expected interview point of view question. And that question is, what is the difference between C, C++, Java? Shall we? Come on, let's go. Okay, so in order to discuss those features, in order to discuss those differences, I'm going to give you some features like developed by DEVLOPED, developed by, like who developed C, who developed C++, who developed Java, like that, developed by. Next, we'll be going with model. Okay, next we'll be going with platform independency or else dependency, platform dependency. Okay, and after that, let me just try to go with like keywords. Okay, keywords. Next one, preprocessor directives, preprocessor directives. Let me just try to go with the inheritance, and just one more, POINTERS, pointers. Features. Okay, now let me keep it like this. Okay, so C, C++, and Java. We are going to discuss about all these three. Okay, just okay, no issues. So C, who developed C? C, what is the model of C? Is it platform dependent or not? How many keywords are there? What are these preprocessor directives? Whether it supports inheritance or not, whether pointers are present or not, like that. For all these features, we'll be discussing for C, C++, and Java. Am I clear with that? Okay, now please tell me, guys, anyone is having an idea like who developed C? Who developed C? That is correct. Tell me. DENNIS, Dennis, RITCHI, Dennis Richard. Okay, no problem. C is developed by Dennis Richard. Okay. Now C++ is developed by anyone? C++ is developed by whom? Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me just try to give you his name. Tell me. I'm sorry, what? Just tell me. Name is there. Tell me. Such a crazy name he's having, right? Right. Guys, C is developed by Dennis Richard. C++ is developed by him. Okay. Now, J silent. Barn Stroustrup. One more time. Barn Stroustrup. Don't ask me again. So yeah, C is developed by Dennis Richard. C++ is developed by Barn Stroustrup, and Java is developed by a team which is led by James Gosling. A team. Remember that. Anyways, so Java generally we'll be discussing about, like, Java is developed by a team which is led by James Gosling. So that's the only reason generally he's going to, we are going to address him as father of Java. And remember, it's not his entire work, it's a teamwork. Java is actually a teamwork. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay. Now, model. C is POP. POP means procedure oriented programming model. All right. C++ is OOP, object oriented programming model, and Java is also OOP, object oriented programming model. Sir, what is the difference between like procedure oriented programming model and object oriented programming languages? Okay, guys, when I'm explaining, please don't write. I'll be giving you the time. Enjoy the class. Don't write. Please don't write. I need complete concentration. Please don't write. Just listen to the class. Okay. Now, yes, C is procedure-oriented programming model. C++ is object-oriented programming model, and Java is also object-oriented programming model. Now, the biggest question is what? What is the difference between object-oriented programming languages and procedure-oriented programming languages? Okay. Guys, one point. Only one point. Remember this blindly. That is, object-oriented programming languages, I repeat, object-oriented programming languages mainly concentrates on data security. One more time. Object-oriented programming languages mainly concentrates on data security. Procedure-oriented programming languages concentrates on step-by-step flow of executions. Step-by-step flow of executions. Sir, I did not understand. Okay. Anyways, regarding this object-oriented programming languages and procedure-oriented programming languages differences, when I'm discussing about OOPS concepts, I'll let you know very clearly. But right now, just a small example. Guys, I believe you know access modifiers. Yes or no? Come on. How many access modifiers are there? What is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access. Just a minute. I want everyone to respond. Please tell me one more time. What is the use of access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions which will enhance the data security. Am I right or wrong? This kind of access modifiers concept is not available in procedure-oriented programming languages. One more time. See, I'm just trying to give you a basic difference between object-oriented programming languages and procedure-oriented programming languages. The very first point which you guys need to remember is object-oriented programming languages. I repeat, object-oriented programming languages mainly concentrates on, tell me, data security. Prove me, sir. In object-oriented programming language, we are having this concept known as access modifiers. What is the use of these access modifiers? Access modifiers provides access restrictions which will enhance the data security. Procedure-oriented programming languages concentrates on step-by-step flow of executions. They will not have that much of, security. How can you say that? So, access modifiers concept literally, it is not available in procedure-oriented programming languages. Am I clear with this? Respond. So, one last time. Object-oriented programming languages concentrates on data security. Procedure-oriented programming languages concentrates on a step-by-step flow of executions. That's it. Done. Close. More differences between these very soon we will be trying to cover. Like whenever we are discussing about OOPS concepts at that particular time, I'm going to say. And by the way, guys, could you please tell me mainly how many OOPS concepts are there? Mainly how many OOPS concepts are there? What are those? What is the first one? First one, encapsulation. Guys, come on. Please don't forget. Please don't forget. What is the first one? Encapsulation. Second one, inheritance. Inheritance. Third one, polymorphism. Last one is abstraction. This order is important. Why? Because without understanding inheritance, you will not understand polymorphism. Without understanding polymorphism, you will not understand abstraction. Anyways, later we are going to discuss. Now, please tell me, C++ is object oriented or procedure oriented? Java is, C is procedure. Okay, what is the main difference between object oriented programming languages and procedure oriented programming languages? Object oriented programming language mainly concentrates on perfect. Procedure oriented programming languages executes the data on step-by-step flow of executions. Am I clear with that? Okay, okay. Now, platform dependency. Sir, what do you mean by this platform dependency? I'll do one thing. Instead of explaining you what is this platform dependency, I like to show you. Shall I? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. For example, let me just try to, yesterday, in whose machine I have installed Java? Bharadwaj, right? Bharadwaj, can you hear my voice? Bharadwaj, please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Fantastic. Did you connect it through laptop today also? Did you connect it to the class through laptop? Perfect. So, is it okay? Can you share the screen? Respond, please. Perfect. Now, guys, listen here. Right now, what I'm going to do here, just let me try to. Okay. Nope. Okay. Right. This is a Java file. This is a Java file which is created by one of my MS student for her assignment. Generally for MS, they will be having some assignments. So this code is not done by me. There's a small trouble in this code. She sent me the code. I modified, rectified. That's it. I did not do this code. One of my student. Let me just try to show you. Sir, what? Is this a Java program? Yes. Okay. Sir, are you sure? Yes. It's a Java program. Now, I want to see the output for this program. Shall we? And like if you want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Come on. What are those? Compilation and running. So compilation will be carried out by the Java compiler. Running will be carried out by the JVM. Please tell me what is the command for compilation? space file name dot Java. How do we know that our program is compiled successfully? Dot class file will be generated. Can we understand the dot class file? Yes, sir. No, I mean, if you are able to understand the dot class file, then you are chitty robo. You are not a human being. Why? Because who is going to understand that dot class file? Only machine. Okay, let me just try to compile this. Okay, I'm entering the command prompt. All right, I'll just let me try to compile it. Okay, and yeah, you know what is the command for compilation? Java C space file name dot Java. Okay, file name dot Java. 3, 2, 1, enter. Yep, it's done. Compilation is successful, and I got my dot class file. I got my dot class file. Obviously, this dot class file consists of bytecode instructions. So I cannot understand. Sir, we want to run it. Okay. I'll do one thing. For example, Bharadwaj, I am sending you the dot class file to you, to your machine. Did you receive it? Perfect. Now hang on. Just a second. Just a second. Please share your screen. Give a click on share screen and select screen. Can you share it? Do you have an option? Fantastic. Yeah. Wait. Now, minimize everything. Perfect. Where is the dot class file? Did you save it? Did you save the dot class file? Okay. Cut it. Cut it and go to the folder which I have created yesterday. Cut. Perfect. Yesterday we created a folder, right? I think in D drive, buddy. Yeah. Open it. Okay. Go back. Come backwards. Get back. Now paste it here. Paste it. Paste it. Perfect. Now I want you to open the command prompt in this location only. Open the command prompt. Perfect. Perfect. CMD. Enter button. That's it. Could you please drag it a little bit down? Okay. Now, guys, right now in his machine, source is not available. Like Java code is not available. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yaar? He is having only dot class file. Where is the Java file? Where is the Java file? Java file is present in my machine. Okay. But just please try to run it. Run it. What is the command for running? Java space generated dot class file name. That's it. Enter button. Maximize. Maximize the command prompt. So, yeah, let's wait. Let it done. Let it done. And done. Now, one more time I am saying, guys, I did not develop this code. This is one of my student code. Okay. I took a permission to share this output, not the code. Okay. So here my question is, where I have compiled. In my laptop, I compiled. Am I right or wrong? Where I am running, in his laptop, we are trying to run it. Are we able to do it? Hey, yes or no? This is platform independency. Means we can compile in one machine, we can run in any another machine. This is known as platform independency. Java is platform independent, not dependent. C, platform dependent. C++, platform dependent. Whereas Java is platform independent. So what do you mean by platform independency, guys? We can compile in one machine. We can run in any other machine, provided, of course, Java should be installed. Am I clear with this platform dependency concept? Respond, guys. Okay, Barzwas, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. That is good. Let me just try to share my screen. So, see, this is the Java file. Java file is still with me only. He is having .class file. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay, coming back here. So, platform dependency. Guys, please tell me, C is platform dependent or independent? Dependent, dependent. Okay, C is platform dependent. Just a sec. Platform dependent. Please tell me, what about C++, guys? I'm sorry? Dependent. And Java is independent. Java is platform independent. Okay. As Java is platform independent, we are having this small acronym for Java that is generally, just a minute, that is ORA. WORA. Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. WORA. Am I clear with that, guys? So yes. So right now we're discussing about the differences between C, C++, and Java. Now please tell me, guys, C is platform dependent or independent? Now tell me, C is platform, C++, Java. When you're speaking about model, C++ is which model? C++. POP or OOP? POP. Object oriented programming model. C++. C is procedure oriented programming model. Java is, come on, obviously object oriented programming model. Am I clear with that? Okay. Okay. Now, keywords. Anyone, please tell me how many keywords are there in C? Perfect. 32. 32. In C++. C++. Just give it a shot. I mean, wild shot. Just give a guess. Just give a guess. Just a guess. 60, more than 60. 70, less than 70. 64, less than 60. I mean, 64. 63 is there. Why you are saying 62? Are you understanding me, guys? In C++, we are having 63 keywords. And when you're speaking about Java, in Java, we are having nearly 50 Java language keywords are there. And here, I just want to say one small point that is a very, very simple point. That is, let me just try to write like this. True, false, what is that? False and null. True, false, and null. These are true, false, and null. These are not keywords. These are literals, means values. These are not keywords. These are literals. Kindly please do remember this, guys. Am I clear with this? So in Java, nearly there are 50 Java language keywords are there. And please don't think like true, false, and null are keywords. No. True is not a keyword. False is not a keyword. Null is also not a keyword. These are values. These are values. Sir, what are those 50 Java language keywords? Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Kindly please wait for it. Online students, am I clear with that? Online students, kindly please respond. Please respond. Am I clear with this? Yeah, Teja, that's the new keyword, I mean, which we'll be trying to discuss whenever we are dealing with the new features. All right. Wait for it. Please wait for it. All right. That is good. That is good. Okay. Okay. Now, preprocessor directives. What are these preprocessor directives? Okay. Guys, in order to understand these preprocessor directives, I just want to write a very small program. Please try to help me out. Okay. Now, class A. Okay. In class A, I'm having a method void method one. Okay. Void method one. Guys, right now the time is 10:24 by my watch. 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, 10 to 15 minutes. Please concentrate correctly. Why? Because very important concept I'm going to discuss right now. In our coming classes also, I'm going to discuss that. But it's already coming here. So please concentrate, concentrate. Okay. Now, let me just 3 classes. Okay. Class X, class B, and class A. Okay. Now here, PUB LIC public void method one system.out.println. Simply I'm going with hi. Now, my question is, I want to call method one. Listen to my statement clearly, please. No need to get confused. Very, very simple concept. I want to call method one, which is present in class A, in class B. First, understand my requirement. I want to call method one. Okay. Where method one is present? I mean, please respond. Where it is present? Class A. From where I want to call class B? Is it possible or not? Possible? Tell me. First, what I need to do? First, what I need to do? Create an object? Not exactly. Guys, we need to run class B first. Am I right or wrong? First, we need to run it. If we want to run a program, writing one method is mandatory. What is that method? So first, what we need to do? Tell me. We need to write main method. Okay, I'm writing main method in class B. Fantastic. Okay, I've written main method. Now, what is my requirement? My requirement is I want to call method one, which is present in class A, in class B. Tell me, tell me what I need to do. What I need to do? Create an Y. Yeah, tell me. See, what you are thinking is 100% correct. Sir, why we need to create an object? Why? Because, sir, come on. If we want to call a method, we need to call that method with the help of its respective class object. Guys, please don't forget the basics. Please, you just don't know how many concepts you covered, you learned in our demo classes. So don't forget them, please. One more time. Please tell me, if I want to call a method present in a class, how I am supposed to call it with the help of its respective. Tell me the code to create an object. You tell me the code, I'll write the code. New, fantastic. After that, after writing new keyword, what I need to do? With the help of a constructor name will be same name as, tell me, class B, YA. For example, if I write B, can I write dot method 1, I'll be getting an error. Why we'll be getting an error? Method 1 is not present in, I hope you're understanding the point here. So which object we need to create? Class A object. All right. I just want to have a reference here, please. Reference AOBJ belongs to class A. And yeah, simply AOBJ dot method 1. Let me just try to execute it. Windows show view console. Okay. Right. Let me just try to execute the program. Right click, run as Java application. Am I getting my output? Perfect. Online students, am I clear with this? Online students, I want you to please respond in the chat, guys. Please respond. See, guys, online students, I'm not saying you are not listening. You guys are listening, but please respond in the chats, guys, so that I'll be able to know that, okay, cool, fine. That is good. That is good. So here, what I did right now in class A, I'm taking a method. In class B, I'm trying to access that method. Fine. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Now, if you observe class A and class B, one more time, class A and class B, both are present in the, complete my sentence. Both are present in the same package. All right. Now, what about class X? Is class X is also present in the same package? No. Now, again, my requirement is I want to call method 1, which is present in class A, in class X. Tell me. First, what I need to write, tell me. Tell me first what I need to write. Why? To run the program. Hey, yes or no here? First, we need to run it. If we want to run a program, writing main method is mandatory. Guys, basics. Basics. Very, 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 very important. Basics. One more time. One last time. Please tell me. If we want to run our Java program, writing main method is mandatory. Tell me, what is the syntax for main method? Public static void main string array. Now tell me. What is my requirement? What I want to do? What I want to do. I'm not asking what I need to do. I'm asking what I want to do. Calling method 1, which is present in. Guys, you should understand the requirements first. Then only you will be able to understand the problem. Then only you will be able to understand the solution for that. Please listen one more time. Please tell me what I want to do. I want to call method 1, which is present in class A in. Tell me. Now tell me what I need to do. What I need to do? Create an. First, what I need to write. After that, class A. Okay. Equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Let me just try to remove this. Am I getting an error? Yeah, we are getting an error. Sir, in class B, whenever we are writing the same code, we did not got any error. In class B, I did not got any error. But in class A, we are getting an error. Why? I need answers from everyone. Please tell me why. Same package. My question is, in class B, why we are not getting any error? Why? Because class A and class B both are present in the same package. Okay. So are you saying that, listen, are you saying that if both the classes are present in the same package, we can create an object for one class into another class? No problem. But if the classes are present in different package, we cannot create an object. Am I right or wrong? Respond. That is correct. That is correct. Sir, but I want to call method 1. Buddy, without creating an object, how can you call a method? I don't know, sir. I want to call method 1. Okay. Then we'll do one thing. Let us import terminology. Terminology. Let us import class A into class X. So my question is, when we need to use import, tell me, when we need to use import, we need to use import if both the classes are present in different packages. Am I clear with this? Now here, please check this. Let me close it. This is class B. Now here, import, import, import. Class A is present in which package? I'm sorry. Tell me the complete package name. Tell me the complete package name. Com dot pack one dot class A. Is my error resolved? Yes or no? And now simply I'm going to call aobj dot method 1. Let me just try to get my console, show view console. Okay. And now here I want to see the output of our program, whether am I able to access my method 1 or not. Right click run as Java application. Am I able to access it? Okay. Online students, please respond. Am I clear with this? Guys, please respond. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now, guys, I have some questions. Simple questions. My first question is, can you call a method which is present in one class in another class? Yes or no? Okay. How to call a Java method? I mean, what we need to call a Java method? That is correct. Tell me. Respective. Do you know how to create an object? Tell me. First, what we need to write. After that, what we should do with the help of a constructor name will be same name as present in the same package. If both the classes are present in the same package, can we create object of one class into another class? Yes or no? Listen to this question clearly and then answer. If both the classes are present in different packages, can we create an object for one class into another class? Yes, yes or no? Okay. Am I going to get an error? I'll be getting an error. How to resolve it? By using import statement. By using which statement? Import statement. Now my question is one more time. Very, very simple question. When we need to use import statement? When? If both the classes are present in, to respond. Now tell me. Example, I'm removing this. Okay. Now simply I'm just trying to public void method to public method 2, and here tell me what I tell me first what I need to write. A, B or X, which one? B. Perfect. Class B. Now equal to BOBJ belongs to class B. Now online students, is my voice clear, guys? Online students, please check. No, right now, just a sec. Online students, please check right now. Please check right now. I believe it's clear right now. Perfect. Perfect. That is very good. So guys, please check here. What I'm doing, in class B, I have written a method, normal method. That's it, not more than that. Now in class X, I am writing some statements. Okay. First, I created an object for class B and then BOBJ dot method 2. Now my question is, if I remove line number 11 from the comment, if I remove line number 11 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? Are you sure? Yes or no? Why? Why? Sir, class B and class X both are present in two different packages? Yes or no? But I used import statement here. How many classes got imported here? Tell me. Here, how many classes got imported? Only one class. All right. Let me just try to import one more. import import com dot pack one dot class B. Okay. And now right click, run as Java application. Hi and hello. Is it clear, guys? I'm going to say right now two cases. Boys, listen. Case one, I'll import all the classes which are present in package one into class X. You need to understand it clearly. Please don't get distracted. Listen. In package one, I'm having 100 classes. Case one, I'll import all those 100 classes in class X. That is case one. Case two, I'll import only the classes which my program needs. That is case two. Which one is better? Case one or case two? Okay, still we are having some doubt. Sir, we can import all the classes so that no need to write number of times these statements. Okay, I'm going to say one more small case. I'm having a startup. I'm having a startup company. I need 5 people. Case one, I'll hire all the students into my company. Right now, 500 students are there. I'm going to hire all these 500 students into my company. That is case one. Case two, I'll hire only 5 people. Which one is better? Case one or case two? Why case one is not better? I'm sorry. Why case one is not better? You just tell me. Why? Burden will be more on the company. Am I right or wrong? If I hire everyone, I need to pay the salaries, right? Yes. Obviously, burden will be more on the company. Now, same scenario. Case one, I'll import all the classes into my program. Case one. Case two, I'll import only the classes which my program needs. Now tell me, which case is better, case one or case two? Exactly what import statement will do. When you're speaking about preprocessor directives, let me just try to, okay, hash include, include, hash include and hash define. These are preprocessor directives. What these preprocessor directives will be doing, they will import all the classes which were present in a particular package into your program. Whether you are using or not, that literally does not matter. All the classes will be available to your program. Obviously, burden will be more on the compiler. But when you're speaking about import statement, what import statement will do? It will import only the classes which our program needs. Now tell me, hash include, hash define, and import. Which one is better and why? And why? See, you need to answer that question. Tell me why. Sir, whenever we are using hash include and hash define, all the classes which are present in that particular package will be imported, whether I'm using it or not. Obviously, burden will be more on the compiler. But when I'm using import statement, only the classes which my program needs will be imported, so that my compiler will not be having that much of burden. Am I clear with this? This is one of the most important interview point of view question. What is the difference between hash include, hash define, and import? I hope it's clear, guys. Now, hash include, hash define. Yes, these are actually known as preprocessor directives. C supports C, just a sec. Sorry, just a minute. C supports hash include and hash define. Supports C++ supports hash include and hash define. Java when you're speaking about Java, does not supports. Java does not supports hash include or hash define. Java is having import statement. Java is having import statement. Kindly please do remember this. Java is having import statement. Okay. Online students, kindly please respond. Am I clear with this, guys? Online students, I want you to please respond. Am I clear with this? Please respond, guys. Please respond. Please respond. Perfect. Impressed. Very good. Now, guys, please answer my question. When we need to use import statement, when? I'm sorry. Wait. Buddy, you. Yeah. Sit down. No need to stand. Perfect. Amma, you. Sit down. Perfect. One line. Simple. Done. When we need to use import statement, if both the classes are present in different packages. Remember this. Please don't forget. We need to use import statement only if both the classes are present in different packages. Okay. Now, coming to inheritance. Right. Guys, what do you mean by inheritance? Generally, normal meaning. Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Sir, too technical. Okay. I'm having a bike. My father is having a car. Can I access his car? Yes or no? I did not purchase his car. He purchased his car by himself. I purchased my bike. Bike belongs to me. Car belongs to my father. Can I access his car? How? I'm his son. I inherit my father properties. I inherit my parent properties. Child can inherit a parent properties. The use of inheritance is code reusability. What is the use of inheritance? Code reusability. Yeah, right now I know it's too technical. I mean, in the very starting only, but kindly please do remember. And remember, guys, this is one of the superpowers of Java. Mainly, there are 4 OOPS features. Please tell me, what is the first one? I'm sorry? Encapsulation. After that, inheritance. After that, polymorphism. After that, kindly please do remember that. Okay. So when you're speaking about inheritance, guys, all right, just let me see does not supports. Nope. In C, there is no concept like inheritance. C does not support inheritance. C++, yep, SUPPORTS supports inheritance. Of course, C++ is object-oriented programming model, right? It supports inheritance. And when you're speaking about Java, of course, Java also supports inheritance. Now here, guys, when you're speaking about types of inheritance, basically there are 5 types. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and multiple inheritance. So whenever we're discussing about OOPS concepts, I'm going to discuss each and every type. But right now, I just want you to remember Java does not support multiple inheritance, but we can achieve this multiple inheritance by using interfaces. Java, let me just try to. Java does not support multiple inheritance. So what is that multiple inheritance and why Java does not support multiple inheritance, and how, if we want to achieve this multiple inheritance, we can do that with the help of interfaces. How that is possible, all these concepts we are going to discuss whenever we are dealing with OOPS concepts. But as of now, I want you to kindly please do keep in mind. Is that clear, guys? So one more time I am saying Java does not support multiple inheritance. Java, just a second. Java does not support multiple inheritance, but we can achieve this multiple inheritance. We can achieve this multiple inheritance by using interfaces. How that is possible, I'll let you know later whenever we're discussing about OOPS concepts. All right. Now, pointers. Pointers. When you're speaking about pointers, guys, yes, I mean, please tell me pointers are supported or not supported in C? 100%. Come on. I mean, it's already there, right? So C supports pointers. C++ also supports pointers. C++ also supports pointers. But when you're speaking about Java, in Java, pointers are eliminated and they are replaced with references. In Java, pointers are eliminated and they are replaced with references. Did you remember this diagram? Just a second. Where is our anatomy? Did you remember this diagram? I told you guys, what is this AOBJ? AOBJ is a object name or reference name, I said, right? So pointers are completely eliminated from Java and those are replaced with references. Kindly please do remember that, guys. All right. So online students, kindly please respond. Am I clear with this, guys? Online students, please tell me, is that clear? Is that clear? Perfect. Very good. Very good. So just let me try to save it. What is our today's date? 23, right? 23. Okay. Now, please keep your side heading as differences between. Come on. Please keep your side heading as differences between C, C++, and Java. Differences between C, C++, and Java. C, C++, and Java. And please have this. Have this in the sense. Now, write the features. First, write the features. First, write the features. First, write the features developed by model, platform dependency, keywords. So, guys, generally our class timings will be, I already said this, 10:45 to 11. Below 10:45 to 11, I'll be trying to wind it up. Today, as our topic demands, I'm just trying to go for 5 more minutes. I hope it's okay for everyone. 10:45 to 11 every day. Below 10:45 to 11, I'll be trying to wind up our sessions every day. First, write these features, please. Did you write these features? Developed by model, platform dependency, keywords, preprocessor directives, inheritance, and pointers. Done? Okay. Now, if possible, try to write these differences without seeing. Differences are on the board. If possible, try to write them without seeing. Go ahead. If possible. If possible. I don't want you to blindly copy paste. You listen to the concept. So just try. Just try. Just try. Just try. So just try. Just try to write by own. If you face any problem, then you can refer to the program. I mean, you can refer on the board. But don't blindly copy paste. Learn the concepts such that you should be able to explain those to others. For example, right now, once our session is completed, if anyone asks you, please explain this concept, like difference between C, C++, and Java. Can you explain? Respond. That is how you should learn the concept. Learn the concept such that you should be able to explain it to others. Obviously, that's exactly what we need to do it in interview. Please. You completed writing? Why? Don't say that. Come on. Make sure from tomorrow, from Monday onwards, you should write the code. Okay. I don't want anyone to sit idle. Please. What happened? Monday. Make sure for Monday. Guys, I already said this. If you are present in my class, I will make you work hard. I will. I will. You need to write the code. Again, I'm saying learn the concept such that you should be able to explain it to others. Vishnu, it will give an error. Why it will be giving an error? We'll let you know, like when I discussed about scope of access modifiers. Okay, Vishnu? Good. Guys, generally when I'm giving the reference for class A object, what is the name I'll be giving? When I'm creating an object for class A, what is the name I will be giving? AOBJ. Is it mandatory? No. It's not at all mandatory, guys. You can give your name. You can give my name. Basically, you can give any name. Not exactly name. There are some rules. I'll let you know. What are those rules also? I'll let you know. But why every time I'll be giving AOBJ? Easy to identify. Easy to recognize. That's it. Right. Online students, please make sure you are having a proper internet connection. Okay. Why? Because once the concept is completed, if you ask me, sir, like my net is not working properly, please repeat the concept again. You know, that's not going to happen. This is not exactly like a one-to-one class, guys. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Please have a proper internet connection, guys, online students. Two things, proper internet connection and a proper environment, like classroom environment. Make sure no one is disturbing the class. All right. Guys, completed? Done? All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. And we'll try to continue sessions again by Monday. And this data also I'll upload in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Thank you. See you on Monday. Have a fantastic weekend. See you on Monday. It will be there, Jivan. It will be there. Okay.